It's my 2018 Indian Scout. I bought it new in 2019. The color is polished bronze, and supposedly the dealer said this color is discontinued. I have a Dirty Birds concept exhaust on it, and did handlebars from FMB choppers. The only thing I had to do with the handlebars was just add an aftermarket clutch cable. The stock brake line does work. It's a little tight. I'll probably end up eventually just replacing it. It's a little dirty right now. I haven't rode it too much. And some handlebars and a back saddle seat with the rest I got from Amazon. I'll start it up so you could hear it. Sounds good. Running no tuner.